My name is Kenneth Williams. I'm the lead counselor at the Mental Wellbeing Center. As we go through life, through all ages, many things happen. Adversity happens. We have dreams, we have hopes, we have all kinds of aspirations. Some things that happen in life can be very, very challenging. Figure out, what am I going to do? How do I actually move through this? The big question is, when these major challenges happen, the question is, what do I do now? We're going to be exploring that in a series of 3 workshops that the Mental Wellbeing Center is going to be conducting later this year. And those workshops will try to enlighten about what is the answer to that question. What do I do with that? So the workshops that we're going to be doing is a series of 3, as I said. The first one is from the ages of 20 to 30, and that group is the challenges of career, imposter syndrome, my identity issues, technology, social comparison, all the struggles that group deals with as they move through the 20s and 30s. The second workshop that we're going to be doing is going to be talking about from the ages to 40 to 50s. What's some unique things with that group that they tend to struggle with? Work-life balance, kids, family. It's called the sandwich generation, meaning that they have elderly parents sometimes to take care of, and they have kids to take care of, and they feel caught in the middle. The last workshop we're going to be doing is 60 plus. At this point in your life, in your 60s, a lot of people have grief issues. Because at that age, you've had loved ones, you've had parents that have passed. Also, they struggle with retirement. When do I retire? How do I plan for retirement? They struggle with my legacy. How do I learn to build something that when I'm gone, that still goes on? And so each one of these 3 groups all have their own unique issues. And so these workshops that we're going to be doing is how do these groups deal with these stages of life? Now, in addition to the workshops, we're doing a little bit more than just the workshops. We're going to have a panel, 3 to 4 people of peers, people that people that work at UCOR in these particular age groups. They're going to be peers that are going to be talking some of their experiences, addressing some of these stages of life. In addition, you'll be able to ask questions. So it's very different than just a regular workshop. There's going to be more interaction. They're going to be talking about their life experiences, things that they struggle with, things of joy, things of difficulties. Mark the calendars. Don't bring your lunch, because we're going to have lunch for you. These workshops are going to be on Thursdays. The first one is February the 19th, 11 to 12:30. The second one is February the 26th, 11 to 11:30. And the last workshop for the 60s, for that particular group, is going to be March the 5th, 11 to 12:30. This is going to be in the meet and train room. And even if you're not in one of these groups for that particular day, come anyway, because we have something for everybody. Be on the lookout for other information as it comes out, new information. If you have any questions, any kind of thoughts, email or call the Mental Wellbeing Center. We highly encourage you to come. Lunch is provided. Please come. We'll see you there.